We're going to be having a paper airplane flight contest. We're going to be looking for how long the flight is in time and how far the plane goes. So let's see who wins. Luke's plane. He has a pretty basic design except for that extra wing there that will add stability. Along with my plane, which is just a basic two-leverage airplane. So let's see how they fly.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that was a pretty good flight. So it went to the almost bottom step. Let's see how mine goes.
2, 1.
Guys, we're back, and after a few modifications, we're ready to have our flight test outdoors. So let's get it started.
First one, distance. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, stopped right here, and we will mark that. Andy, test one, distance. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, we'll use the tape measure, and Luke's flight was 17 feet, and my flight was 29 feet. So we are going to take 3 length flights and take the average of them to see who wins.
Luke, distance number 2, 3. Wait for the wind to die down. There's a bunch of wind this way.
Okay. Take her. Okay, go ahead. Right now while it's dying.
Luke, distance 2, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Alright,
That looks like a pretty good flight. Andy, distance test. In 1, 2, 3. That flight, Luke got 23 feet, and I had only 12 feet because my plane looped around. So let's hit the next one and do the average.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, a straight flight. Oh, but he looped back around. Andy, distance number 3. In 3, 2, 1. Oh.
I completely lost track of it. Go again.
I tallied it up, and Luke's average was 44 feet, and I beat my 1 foot with an average of 45 feet. Now we're moving on to the length of time the airplane is in the air. Let's see who wins.
Alright, this is Luke time test in 3, 2, 1.
2.27 seconds. Alright, Andy flight test. Time in 3, 2, 1.
Wow. 2.46. 2.5. Deck flight test. It's pretty windy, so we'll see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Oh. Andy deck flight test in 3, 2, 1.